Hello, I'm Martin from Smarterials, and here at Smarterials we are working on a new generation of personal protective equipment. Smarterials Technology is a company covering the main fields of surface functionalization, chemical processes, and also the processes which are belonging to production, as well as the regulatory side and the economic side. Based on a patent-pending production technology, we want to evolve into one of the most successful companies in the field of medical consumables, in particular surgical gloves. Now, the main problem is that we have more than 1 million cases of needle stick injuries in Europe each year, and this means that potentially healthcare professionals are at risk. So to protect themselves, and also this is a WHO recommendation, healthcare professionals tend to wear 2 pairs of gloves on top of each other. Now, this so-called double gloving restricts the tactile sense and also takes longer to wear, so oftentimes healthcare professionals try to circumvent these solutions. That is why we have been created Smarterials 2-in-1. Smarterials 2-in-1 is a glove made of a multi-layer system, and this multi-layer system significantly reduces the risk of contamination of the hands, of perforations. But while it does so, it also integrates a perforation indicator. So in case of a perforation of the glove changes its color at that particular spot, such that the user realizes he or she may be at risk and can then change the glove accordingly to protect himself. Now, here we obviously have a completely new product. This is offering superior sense of touch. It can be fast worn, it integrates the perforation indicator, produces less waste, in particular packaging waste, and gives the highest safety possible. It is a totally unique solution, hard to imitate and superior to competition, which allows us to create a sustainable business model. Later on, we also want to transfer our technology to other fields. Now, the market for surgical gloves for double gloving, so that specific segment has a size of $1.4 billion in 2019, and it is growing at an annual rate of 9.2%. We want to get a market share of 10% with our superior product here. The market so far is conservative and uninspired. We have here solutions from Sempermed and Ansell. Sempermed is presenting its Supreme Duo product, which is basically 2 pairs of gloves, which are optimized such that it is easier to wear the second glove on top of the first one. Ansell has gone one step further. They have stacked 2 gloves into each other, so you wear 2 gloves as if you were a single one. So what you can see is that glove manufacturers try to circumvent the problems of double gloving, but only we are going then one step further. Now, our business model is relying on outsourcing. So we will outsource the production of the particles, we're outsourcing the production of the gloves, and we're outsourcing the distribution. That way, we want to make competitors prospective business partners. And while we're looking to outsource, the current crisis has shown us that outsourcing may not always be the best solution. So for example, at the moment we're unable to travel to Southeast Asia, so we're unable to work on the implementation of our technologies on the production lines. That is why we're looking to build our own production plant in Germany. Now, we're looking for partners for this particular reason. So if you have any experience in building a production line, in particular for medical consumables, but the closer the better, then I'm more than happy to discuss how to go on from there. Yeah, thanks a lot. and let's make surgery safer.